Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Explorer Platinum. Coming in this nice white color, and this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a tow hitch, rear park sensing, the nice Platinum logo with the backup camera, nice little roof spoiler, we have roof rails as well, mud flaps on the rear, we get a little bug friend as well, with mud flaps on the front, side view camera, lights, blind spot detection, and moving to the front real quick, we do get these nice new Ford LED lights with front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come with a powered liftgate, which you can use on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. Even with your third row up, you got hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You can collapse and re-put up your row from here, which is pretty handy. 12-volt, more hooks, more storage underneath. And here you do get cup holders, arm space, some outlets on the right here, more storage there and all that jazz. And I'm just gonna swing this back up, then it will go up automatically. And to close, all you have to do, hit this button right here and it will close automatically. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 7 pretty comfortably. We have this nice Mojave Dusk leathering, which is kind of like this burgundy color. It's perforated, pretty nice, plenty of door space. The leathering on the door, floor mats, you got a step to get to the back here. You click that button and your seat will go automatically forward. And you do get quite a bit of leg space for the back two passengers. Heated back seats with that dual climate, or not dual climate, climate controls, USB, USB-C, and 110 volt with some storage. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space if you don't need this middle passenger. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does. We're looking at the driver's side. We do have powered driver's seat with massaging seats as well. The same leathering we saw on the back there, but we do get the Platinum logo up front. Plenty of more door space up front with a B&O sound system, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, the leathering on the door, liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side. And you do get this nice speaker system that goes across the dash. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 101 kilometers. There we go. We do have this leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. And right here is our little Ford self-driving on the highway, which is pretty handy. We do have My View, trip and fuel, status info, maintenance, audio, and your speedometer. To my right, we get tons of storage. You got your little gear select, cup holders, parking brake, drive modes, and more storage. Got storage down there as well with some outlets. This does close. Wireless charging pad with a little storage here as well. Volume, auto stop, auto start, park assist, hazards, and 360 view of the vehicle, which is pretty handy. Traction, auto hold, your infotainment system. We do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle and a nice garage door transmitter. Here we do have our navigation, personal profiles, phone, audio. For your audio, you get SiriusXM, AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Google, which is pretty nice. We can change our ambient lightings from here, play with the vehicle, open the liftgate from there as well, hill, seats, because you do get massaging seats for the driver and passenger, which is pretty handy and really nice for those long car rides. Valet mode, settings, all that jazz. And this vehicle is powered by Google, so you have Google Maps, Play Store, Assist, SiriusXM, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, software updates, YouTube, or any other apps you may have downloaded. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GB72299, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.